Scroll it back, run it again. You offended? Tell a friend. Got a blue check, then they pulled it by the root. Call it hate speech if I dare to tell the truth. Keyboard cops in a cubicle cage, writing little tickets every time I show rage. They don't like jokes, they don't like fun. They want one thought, one flag, one tongue. Every meme that I drop is a threat, yet the bots with the spam get a pass. I bet they fact check feelings, not the facts. They cancel dog pile, then relax. If I say two genders, they attack, but the algorithm clap when you clap back.
That's the sound of police. They're coming for my tweets. Warren wants the obese. Ozempic has released.
Chill, chill. Every show now, same old script. Some fake teardrop and a guilt trip. Point that finger, play that card. Soft hands, hard words, hearts made of Lord. Educate yourself from a dropout page. Check your privilege from a brand new rage. They preach love, then they wish you dead. In the comments section, they lost their head. Got a list of words you can't speak. Got a list of thoughts every week. New rule, new label, new sin. Blink wrong, they demand you confess again.
That's the sound of police. They're coming for my tweets. No one wants the obese. Ozempic has released.
You can't joke.
Why not?
You can't speak.
Why not?
You can't think.
Why not?
They got you scared to even type a thought.
That's the sound of police. They're coming for my tweets. No one wants the obese. Ozempic has released.